Hello students, welcome back to my channel Engineering Maths Tadka. Today's lecture is based on first shifting theorem. In today's lecture, we are going to learn how to apply first shifting theorem in Laplace transform. First, let us understand what is first shifting theorem. Okay? So, first shifting theorem kya hai? If Laplace of f of t is given as phi of s, then Laplace of e raised to minus at into f of t will be equal to phi of s plus a. What do you understand by this? E raised to minus at अगर दिया है तो लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन जो भी है वो निकालने के बाद s के जगह s प्लस a पुट करना रहता है. इसी तरह अगर लैपलास ऑफ f of t is given as phi of s, then Laplace of e raised to at into f of t will be always equal to phi of s minus a. e raised to at दिया है तो s के जगह s minus a पुट करना है और e raised to minus at दिया है तो s के जगह s plus a पुट करना है. सिंपल मेथड क्या है? फंक्शन ऑफ t को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसका लैप्लास निकालना है. लैप्लास निकालने के बाद s के जगह s प्लस a पुट करोगे अगर e टू द पावर माइनस at फॉर्म में प्रॉब्लम दिया है तो. अगर e टू द पावर at इंटू एफ ऑफ टी प्रॉब्लम दिया है तो लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ एफ ऑफ टी निकालना है पहले, उसके बाद s के जगह s माइनस a पुट करना है. Okay, so let us understand clearly by solving some problems based on this. Okay, so first problem देखेंगे. Let us take the first problem as find Laplace of e to the power minus 2t into sine 3t. Okay, so this example is based on e raised to minus at into f of t. So what is your f of t here? Let us write let f of t is equal to sine 3t. Next step क्या है? You have to take Laplace on both the sides. Then Laplace of f of t is nothing but Laplace of sine 3t, which is 3 upon s square plus 9. Okay. So this is nothing but your phi of s. Now Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t into sine 3t will be equal to what? s के जगह क्या पुट करना है? s plus 2 दिया है, minus 80 दिया है तो क्या है? s के जगह s plus a पुट करना है. Therefore, this will become 3 upon s plus 2 the whole square plus 9. Okay, so what we have done here? We have substituted s is equal to s plus 2. Okay, from where we got this? By first shifting theorem. Okay, first shifting theorem is very important and it is very easy to understand. Problems will be always in the form of Laplace of e raised to minus at into f of t, or it will be in the form of Laplace of e raised to at into f of t. Okay, so now in the next step you need to simplify this. Simplify कैसे करेंगे? a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab, that is 4s plus what you are going to get? 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 plus 9 will give you what? 13. This is the final answer. Let us take one more simple example so that you will understand the concept in a better way. Second sum क्या है? Find Laplace of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. Okay, this is in the form of e raised to at into f of t. पहले Laplace of f of t निकालना है, उसके बाद s के जगह s minus 3 पुट करना है. Okay, so let us solve this simple example. Laplace of cos 2t, first you have to find. What is Laplace of cos 2t? S upon s square plus 4. Okay, after this you are going to find Laplace of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. What is Laplace of e raised to 3t into cos 2t? S will become s minus 3. So numerator s के जगह s minus 3 पुट करना है, डिनोमिनेटर में s square के जगह s minus 3 the whole square पुट करना है. So what is that we have done here? After finding out the Laplace of the given function f of t, you have substituted s is equal to s minus 3. Okay. After this, you can write the simplified answer s minus 3 upon s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 4, which will give you s minus 3 upon s square minus 6s plus 13. Okay. So these two examples are very simple and it helps you to understand the concept in a clear way. Okay, so let us understand. Let us take the third example as say find Laplace of e raised to minus 2t into t cube. Function of t क्या है? Function of t is nothing but t cube. Okay, so first step क्या है? पहले Laplace transform of t cube निकालना है. Laplace transform of t raised to n का formula क्या है students? N factorial upon s to the power n plus 1. So what is the answer which you get? N is nothing but 3. Therefore, it is 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1. 3 factorial का value क्या है? 6 upon s to the power 4. Okay. What is the formula which we have used here? Laplace of t raised to n, which is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. पहले दो लेक्चर्स में स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शंस यूज करके हमने प्रॉब्लम्स देखा है. तो फर्स्ट टू लेक्चर्स अगर आप मिस किया है तो लेक्चर्स कंटेंट आप अच्छे तरह से देखिए. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्मूलाज जो हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स में, वो भी मैंने आपको लिस्ट अच्छे तरह से लिख के दिया है, तो आप वो सब फॉलो कीजिए एंड यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल. वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू sit for the new lecture, please refer the previous lectures so that there will be continuity. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Laplace of e raised to minus 2t into t cube. So, कैसे है ये? Laplace of e to the power minus 80 into f of t. पहले Laplace transform of t cube निकाला है, फिर उसके बाद क्या करना है? s के जगह s plus 2 पुट करना है. Therefore, this will become 6 upon s के जगह क्या पुट करना है? s plus 2 to the power 4. This is the final answer. Okay. So you can write put s is equal to s plus 2. From where we got? From first shifting property or first shifting theorem. Okay. प्रॉब्लम देख के ही आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी कैसे अप्लाई करना है. फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी में हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई द प्रॉब्लम? इट विल बी ऑलवेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ से L of e raised to minus 80 into f of t or Laplace of e raised to 80 into f of t. Okay. So fourth example let us cover. Now let me take the example as find Laplace of e raised to minus t. Now the function of t is given as sine cube 2t. Once again, we have to use trigonometric formula to solve this particular sum. Okay. Sine cube x का formula क्या है students? Sine cube x का formula है 3 sin x minus sin 3x upon 4. Okay. x के जगह आपको क्या दिख रहा है? 2t. ओके, सो साइन क्यूब 2t का वैल्यू क्या है देख के बताइए. साइन क्यूब 2t विल बी इक्वल टू 3 इंटू साइन x के जगह क्या पुट करना है? 2t पुट करना है. सो इट विल बिकम 3 साइन 2t माइनस साइन 3 इंटू 2t it will become. So this is nothing but sine 60 upon 4. Unless and until you don't remember the formula of sine cube x, it is not possible for you to proceed further. In a similar way, sine cube x के जगह cos cube x अगर दिया है तो formula क्या होना चाहिए? Instead of sine, it will be cos and instead of minus, it will be plus. Okay? Cos cube x का formula क्या है? 3 cos x plus cos 3x upon 4. Okay? सो ई रेज टू माइनस टी इंटू कॉस क्यूब 2t अगर दिया है तो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए. उसके बाद क्या करना है? यू हैव टू टेक लैपलास ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. So Laplace of sine cube 2t is equal to Laplace of 3 sine 2t minus sine 6t upon 4. Okay, this can further be written as 3 by 4 को बाहर निकालिए, फिर Laplace of what you are having, sine 2t. After that, minus 1 by 4 you write it outside and take Laplace of what? Sine 60. Okay. Then what is Laplace of sine 2t? It is nothing but 2 by s square plus 4. Sine 80 का Laplace क्या सीखा है हमने? A upon s square plus a square. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2. In a similar way, Laplace of sine 60 क्या है? 6 upon s square plus 36. Because a is equal to 6, a upon s square by plus a square is nothing but what? 6 upon s square plus 36. Okay. So let us write the next step as, you can write it as Laplace of sine cube 2t is equal to what? 3 by 4 into 2 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by 4 into 6 by s square plus 36. Now, what is, you can simplify this furthermore. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So, this can be written as 3 by 2 into 1 by s square plus 4. Minus, what is 6 by 4? 6 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 into 1 by s square plus 36. दोनों टर्म्स में 3 by 2 कॉमन है तो बाहर निकालिए, फिर अंदर 1 by s square plus 4 minus 1 by s square plus 36 लिखना है. Okay. After this, what we have to do? We will be finding out Laplace of e raised to minus t into sine cube 2t value. अभी बताइए क्या करना है आपको? Laplace of given function sine cube 2t निकाला है आपने और फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. e टू द पावर माइनस टी दिया है तो s के जगह क्या पुट करना रहता है स्टूडेंट्स, बताइए. s के जगह s प्लस 1 पुट करना है. ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी 3 by 2 into 1 by s will become now s plus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 by s के जगह s plus 1 the whole square पुट कीजिए plus 36. Okay. You can simplify this furthermore. If you want, you can write put s is equal to s plus 1 by first shifting theorem. Okay. So if you know the standard functions formulas and trigonometric formulas in a proper way, it is very easy to solve problems in Laplace transforms. Okay. So let me cover one more sum for today. Okay. Last sum क्या है? Different varieties I am trying to cover so that you can easily apply first shifting property in solving the problems. Find Laplace of e to the power minus 3t into cos hyperbolic 4t, that is cos h 4t into sin 3t. This is what is the given sum. So first step by step हम लोग solve करेंगे. पहले cos h 4t का फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. हाइपरबॉलिक फंक्शन का फॉर्मूला cos 4t का फॉर्मूला क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? e to the power 4t plus e to the power minus 4t upon 2. Okay. Now next what we will write? We will write e to the power minus 3t into cos h 4t value. What we are doing? We are multiplying e to the power minus 3t to e raised to 4t plus e raised to minus 4t upon 2. Simplify करने के बाद क्या आएगी? e to the power minus 3t into e to the power minus 4t will give you what? e raised to t. 4t minus 3t का वैल्यू क्या है? t. इसी तरह प्लस डालिए. e raised to minus 4t into e raised to minus 3t है. So क्या आएगा आंसर? First it is nothing but e to the power minus 70. Minus 3t minus 4t का वैल्यू क्या है? Minus 70 upon 2. Okay. After this what you are going to do? you will be writing all the three terms together. E raised to minus 3t into cos h 4t into sin 3t. What is it? E raised to t plus e raised to minus 7t upon 2 into what you will be putting? Sin 3t. सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद 1/2 को बाहर लिखिए, फिर e रेज टू t को sin 3t से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. द फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी e रेज टू t इंटू साइन 3t प्लस द सेकेंड टर्म विल बी e रेज टू माइनस 7t इंटू sin 3t. Now, how do we proceed further? You can write it as, you can take Laplace on both the sides now. Taking Laplace on both the sides, you will be getting the next step as Laplace of e raised to minus 3t into cos 4t, that is cos h 4t into sin 3t as 1 by 2 into Laplace of e raised to t into sin 3t. फर्स्ट टर्म है और सेकेंड टर्म क्या है? Laplace of e raised to minus 7t into sin 3t. Now individually let us solve. Laplace of sin 3t क्या है? Laplace of sin 3t, what is that we have studied? Sin 3t का Laplace 3 upon s square plus 9. Now Laplace of e raised to t into sin 3t का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी में a का वैल्यू दिया है, a is equal to 1. Since it is in the form of at, s should be always substituted as s minus a. Therefore, 3 by s square will become what? S minus 1 the whole square plus 9. Okay. This can be written as what you have done here. You have substituted s is equal to s minus 1. Okay. You can simplify this furthermore. What it is? 3 upon s square minus 2s plus 10 you can write. Okay. Similarly, Laplace of e raised to minus 7t into sin 3t. What it should be? In 3 by s square plus 9, you have to substitute s is equal to what? S plus 7. यहाँ पे s minus 1 पुट किया है because 80 फॉर्म में है, a का वैल्यू 1 है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे माइनस 80 का फॉर्म में है, सो s के जगह क्या पुट करना है? s plus a पुट करना है. Therefore, the answer will be equal to what? 3 upon s plus 7 the whole square plus 9. Simplify करने के बाद 3 upon what you'll be getting? S square plus 14s plus what you'll be getting? 49 plus 9. 49 plus 9 is nothing but what? 58 you will be getting. So let us write the final answer. Okay. So one second students. Let me just take one more new slide and write the final answer. Okay. So therefore, you will be writing the final answer as Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t into cos h 4t into sin 3t. This is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 3 by s square minus 2s plus 10. Then you have plus 3 upon s square plus 14s plus 58. Okay. Now, whenever you are attending these lectures, you are suggested to just take one notebook and pen and simultaneously try to solve problems along with me. Okay. So that you will get better clarity. Okay. So in the next class, let us cover problems based on change of scale property. उसके बाद multiplication by t and division by t का problems भी हम लोग solve करेंगे. Okay. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स मैंने आज सिखाया है अच्छे तरह से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए एंड कम एंड अटेंड द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर सो दैट you will be comfortable with the topic Laplace transform. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates, students. Thank you so much.